使用する監視官、執行官を選択してください。ユーザー認証、宜野座信親執行官。公安局刑事課所属。
I'm starting out with my base foundation and lenses already applied. First I'm taking a neutral transition shade and just blending that all over the lid and above the crease, right up to the eyebrow. Just making sure to blend that out on both eyes. Then I'm taking Born to Make History by Shiro Cosmetics. This is a pale greenish blue shade with some shimmer in it. And I'm just blending that out and making it more pigmented the closer it gets to my lash line. Next I'm taking this white liner by NYX and I'm just lining that over the crease of my eyes. And just blending that in with a finger. Next I'm going into my NYX Ultimate palette and just taking this pale turquoise shade and just blending that all over where we just laid down that white eyeliner. I then decided I wanted this a bit more pigmented, so I went in with a denser brush just to really pack on that colour, especially around the crease. I'm then taking a darker teal shade and just further darkening that crease. Just blending it into the existing colours and making it darker and more pigmented the further towards my lash line I get. Next I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm just going to be drawing this all over my mobile lid, and the way that I'm doing this is I'm doing it in small steps. I'm just sort of opening and creasing my eye so that I can see where my natural crease is, and I'm just drawing up to that line. And then I'm just filling in the whole lid in black. I then decided that I wanted the inner corners to pop a little bit more, so I just went back in with that white eyeliner and just highlighted the corners of my eye. Next I'm just taking a white liquid liner and just drawing 6 little dots on each lid in a sort of diagonal formation, and then over the top of that I'm just packing on the same turquoise shades that we used before. Now taking a black eyeliner, we only want the turquoise dots to show up on the lid, so I'm just going over that negative space with the liner just to re-darken it, and so that at the end all that will be left are the dots. It's hard to explain, but you should be able to see what I'm doing. And you should be left with something like this. Moving on to the wing, I'm going to be drawing this quite large and bringing the top down to join that existing curve along my crease. It should hopefully look something like this. So moving on to the hardest part of this tutorial in my opinion, I was taking a hexagon shaped stencil and just padding a little bit of that pale turquoise and teal shadow over that just to give the effect of several hexagons running down the face. I'm making this wider at the top where the eyes are and getting narrower and fainter as it falls down the face. I'm then just bringing a little more of that shadow under the eyes to join the look a little bit more. And then just applying my normal mascara. And just filling in my eyebrows with that same turquoise shade. Next I'm applying a pair of fake lashes. Next, adding a little bit of glitter. This is a combination glitter, so it has chunky and small pieces, and for this I'm just using the small shapes. And that's the finished look.
ユーザー認証、ギノザの口か監視か、公安局、刑事課所属、使用許諾確認、携帯型心理診断、鎮圧執行システム、ドミネーター、起動しました。ユーザー認証、公安局、刑事課所属、使用許諾確認、適正ユーザーです。現在の執行モードは、ノンリーサル、パラライザー、落ち着いて照準を定め。
Hey guys! Sorry for the voiceover to outro this, but I couldn't film one at the time. As if any of you didn't already know, Psycho-Pass is my all-time favourite anime, and so I was really excited to bring you this look. It took me so long to figure out what I wanted to do with this look, and I think I'm finally happy with the result. The look I was going for was something a bit like a Dominator, so I hope you guys can see that coming across in the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I really hope you're enjoying this series so far. So that is everything from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!